Hey guys, this is how to place a video inside text in Canva. So first thing that you will do is create a design, a video design. So from here, I'm just gonna click on this video. And from here, I'm gonna go for this video. I'm gonna go for an empty one. And first thing that you will do is just simply go for elements over here. And now just simply provide the letter that you want. So I'm gonna go for cat. I'm gonna provide letter C and enter. And now I'm gonna go for frames over here. So I'm gonna click on see all. And after that, I'm just gonna select a frame that I like. And now just simply provide a letter again. I'm gonna go for A. And now I'm gonna select any of these. And now I'm gonna go for C. And now from here, I'm just gonna select it. And now in order for you to add a video, just simply go ahead and search for a video. I'm gonna go for cat again, and I'm gonna go for videos over here. So now from here, I'm gonna select a certain video. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one. So from here, I'm gonna put it on the letter, and I'm gonna go for everything, the letter A and the letter C. So from here, you should be able to add videos inside the letter. And if you want to reframe it, you can just simply make it right over here. So I'm going to make this right. And I'm going to overlap them to make it looks okay. And now, when we go ahead and play them, you should be able to see something like this. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!